Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that Oji Mbaise in the Igbo traditional society was known as Oji Ezinihitte, which formed the bedrock of Oji Mbaise festival? You are welcome back to Igbo Tradition, My Heritage. And today I will be discussing about Oji Mbaise. If you like what I am doing here and you've not subscribed to my channel, make do to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, use the comment section to share your own thoughts, and kindly share my videos. Thank you. Oji Mbaise. Today, Mbaise is a unified large region in the present day Imo State. But during the pre-colonial era, it was not like that. It was not unified, answering one name as Mbaise. Rather, it was a distinct and independent clans and villages. Ezinihitte, Okovoro, Ekwerazu, Agbaja, and I've mentioned Ezinihitte, Agbaja, Ekwerazu, Okovoro, and Ahara. 5 of them. And what bound them was same markets, and they were king, according to EA Journal. So Oji Mbaise was then known as Oji Ezinihitte, which formed the bedrock of Oji Mbaise festival. How? According to oral history and the creation myth, it was said that the supreme creator, Chukwu, came down to earth at a particular sacred point at Oriukwu in Obama na Omunama in Ezinihitte. And the elders said that was the credo of human creation. So from there, the ancestors, they multiplied, they grew and multiplied. And from there, they migrated to other places where they formed their own autonomous villages. Like I said, that the ancestors, when they grew and multiplied, migrated to form their own autonomous villages outward, although within that region. But the Oji Mbaise, the Oji Ezinihitte, was a mandatory ritual for homecoming, which all of them gathered every once in a year to celebrate it, because they all traced their lineage back to that place which they believed that creation started, which was at Oriukwu in Obama na Umunama in Ezinihitte, Mbaise. The purpose of the Oji Mbaise. First, I've mentioned about they all traced mandatory for ritual homecoming to celebrate as siblings because they all traced back their ancestry to that place. So, number one of the purpose was to, affirmation of their brotherhood, which was tracing back their ancestry to that place, credo, which known as the cradle of creation. Onye aghala nwanne ya. That's the Mbaise slogan. Their slogan, Onye aghala nwanne ya. So brotherhood. They all came together to celebrate as kin, to share that love, togetherness, in as much as we are not now living in the same vicinity, but we are all kin, irrespective of where we have migrated to and established our autonomous villages, but we are still together as siblings. And they had that slogan, Onye aghala nwanne ya. Secondly, was for spiritual alignment. They also gathered together to thank Chukwu ancestors, Allah, for blessings, and also for Allah to bless the soil for their crops for future harvests. Thirdly, for seniority, that was to know that, okay, so is your brother. Because when the kola nut was broken, it was shared according to seniority, which started with Ezinihitte. Remember, that's where the creation myth said that Chukwu descended. Obama na Umunama in Ezinihitte Mbaise. Umere nnem. So that's where creation started. That's wonderful. So that is how Oji Mbaise started. It was first known during the pre-colonial era. Oji Ezinihitte, where the Mbaise, that's the history of Mbaise, started at Obama na Umunama Ezinihitte. That's the Oriukwu Market Square. This is so interesting. And very, very important notes. Oral history said that after coming together to celebrate the festival, and when the kola nut was blessed by the eldest patriarch and libation poured on the ground to honor Allah and ancestors, when the kola nut was shared, that everyone that ate every bit, piece of the kola nut. After eating it, dared not plot evil against the brother or sister. It was a sacred ritual that bound that brotherhood, a sacred ritual that kept them together, in as much as we are not living in a particular place as siblings, but we are still bound together by same ancestor. We have same ancestry. So that is about Oji, the popular Oji Mbaise. I really love this. I love it because they are my people. I'm from Mbaise. I am Ada Mbaise. So this is where I will be drawing the curtains. To see you in my next video, where I will be discussing another interesting Igbo tradition, my heritage.
Under the kola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the